You will not believe what I found on TikTok Shop. This is a home security door. You don't need a key. You don't need a type of passcode. You just put your palm up like this and the door automatically opens.
Want to unlock your door like a Jedi Master without spending your kid's college fund? Wyze just dropped the Palm Lock, promising to turn your front door into something straight out of Star Wars for just $130. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want smart home reviews that separate sci-fi fantasy from actual functionality. This thing reads your palm veins using infrared technology, which sounds way cooler than fumbling for keys in your pocket like a caveman. The palm vein recognition supposedly works faster and more reliably than fingerprint sensors, because apparently your palm has unique vein patterns that are harder to fake than fingerprints. Here's what caught my attention. The dual battery system is genuinely clever. The main lithium-ion battery lasts up to 6 months, but if it dies, a backup battery kicks in for another 2 weeks. That's some legitimate engineering foresight, considering most smart locks die at the worst possible moment. The lock includes a built-in gyroscope that detects door movement and automatically locks when you close it. No more wondering if you actually locked the door or just think you did. It also has anti-peep technology for the keypad, letting you add random digits before or after your real code to confuse nosy neighbors. The installation process gets praise from early reviewers, with the matte black finish looking sleek and modern. It's IP53 weather-resistant and BHMA3 certified, meaning it survived thousands of tests involving slamming, twisting, and splashing. Basically, it can handle real-world abuse. But here's where my skepticism radar activates. This technology is brand new territory for Wyze. Palm vein recognition sounds impressive, but how well does it work when your hands are wet, dirty, or you're wearing gloves? The infrared sensors need clear visibility of your palm veins to function. Early tech reviewers seem impressed, but we're talking about journalists who got demo units, not long-term user feedback. The lock just launched, so we don't have months of real-world testing from actual homeowners dealing with different weather conditions and daily wear. At $130, it's surprisingly affordable compared to premium smart locks that cost 3 times as much. The Wi-Fi connectivity lets you control it remotely through the Wyze app, and it integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. The verdict? Wyze Palm Lock looks promising, with solid engineering and innovative features at an unbeatable price point. The dual battery system and auto-locking gyroscope show they learned from previous smart lock failures. However, palm vein technology is unproven in consumer applications, and Wyze's track record with complex products is mixed. If you love being an early adopter and want Jedi door powers, this could be awesome. But if you prefer proven reliability, wait 6 months for real user reviews.